안녕. Today I'm going to make a leek and potato soup. This is a very common soup in the UK, but I make it with a little twist. Leeks are a part of the allium family, so they are anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, and help strengthen the immune system. I'm going to use mushrooms as a topping. Mushrooms are also help your immune system function. They have a wide variety of anti-cancer properties, but raw mushrooms have toxins in them, so please cook them before you eat them. Okay, let's begin. This leek, wash them. It is a bit nightmare to clean. So what I usually do is cut in lengthwise like this, and then get rid of the soils. The outside is not a problem, but you know, when you open it, see here, looks very fresh though. Okay, that's done. Now potatoes, especially in spring, the potatoes have this shoot comes out here, little like eyes or shoot comes out. These are solanins, which is a bit toxin, so I always take this out. Even you just peel it, the thing is still stay there, so you have to dig it out. Not many people knows this about it. See here, this one has a little bit more. Usually this happens in spring, I don't know why, but I think it is because of the wet spring, everything comes out, so maybe they are the same. These potatoes from RiverFord, they are really good. I mean, super moist. So when I bake this, I don't need any butter or any oil or anything. It's so moist. It's not dry at all. Okay, and then wash. So this is all washed and dig this shoot out. So I'm going to chop them roughly and cook it. So this is all chopped, and the leek I will cook separately, not cook together. So cut in lengthwise again. So now all chopping is done. So I pour the water until the potato is covered. Yeah. So I don't normally pour too much water. If you need more later, then you can add more. But if it's too much in the beginning, it will be difficult to adjust it. So and add a pinch of salt. That's it. So I'm going to cook potato. When it starts boiling, I will reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. I will cook mushrooms. Okay, I'm adding balsamic vinegar. Just about 2 tablespoons. About teaspoon oregano. You can use other herbs like rosemary, they are very good too. So I will reduce the heat, and of course pepper, a little bit of sea salt, and crushed garlic. When I use for salad dressing, I grate them, but when I make like this, I crush them. It smells lovely. Cook until all the vinegar is evaporated. Okay, potato is boiling now. Okay, it's all Seems like it's all done. So now I'm cooking the leeks. I'm cook this with the stock. Pinch of pepper and just a little bit of salt. Just cook until these leeks are soft. Look at this color, it's lovely. Vegetable stock is evaporated, so I will stop cooking now. Meanwhile, I'm making topping. So slice the onion. Slice the onion as thin as possible. And add 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Okay, pepper, a little bit of salt, sea salt or Himalayan salt, tablespoon sesame seed and parsley. Okay, and then mix them well. So this is a soaked almond. I soaked overnight and it's very soft now. I will rinse them and roughly just chopped. You can use your favorite nuts. There, topping is done. So potatoes are all cooked, so I'm going to blend it. Now I'm adding cooked leek. So I found this leek is so sweet, so when I cook together, the soup is too sweet for me. So in this way I can enjoy leek as well as potato. Soup is all done. I'm put it in the soup bowl. Bit thick soup, that's what I like about it. Or if you like more watery, then you can add water. It's up to you. And adding toppings and cooked mushroom. Okay, it's done. Of course, I'm going to add the sriracha. The soup is done. I'm going to taste it before it gets cold. Mix, because I put the topping on. The mushrooms are great with balsamic vinegar, garlic and herbs. The topping has nuts in it, so I can chew the soup, not just swallow. So it will help with the digestion. Hope you enjoy my soup. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.